If you are teaching on Zoom, make sure you watch this very short video because I'm going to give you a tip which is going to make your life much easier. And it's only one that I found out about the other day, finally. So what I'm talking about here is auto-saving the whiteboard. Now, when you teach on Zoom, as I'm sure you know, one of the best features of Zoom is the whiteboard, sharing the whiteboard so you can teach your students and write things down, and then at the end of the class you can send that whiteboard to your student, which is amazing. But many times I, and maybe you as well, have forgotten to actually click on the save button, and then at the end of the video you have this horrible realization when you realize that you forgot to save it. But this can be a thing of the past if you just follow this step. So go onto your browser, go onto zoom.us, zoom.com, and go to your settings. All right, click on your settings. You can see at the top here. So we have settings. It's the fifth one down, and then we scroll down all the way, and we find so many settings here. You find the whiteboard. You can see it's automatically switched on. Obviously, you don't want to change that. But what you do want to click on is this one here, auto save whiteboard content when sharing is stopped. If you just click on that, then anytime you finish your lesson on Zoom, you end the meeting, automatically the whiteboard will be saved. Actually, anytime you stop sharing the whiteboard, it will automatically be saved. So you will have several whiteboards from throughout the class, and it's going to make your life much, much easier. Make sure you click that. Go and click that now. Go and do it now. Put down whatever you're doing. Go and click on that setting, and I promise you, your life and your classes will be much better. Short and sweet video there. Good luck to everybody. Hope your online classes, I can't even speak today. Hope your online classes are going well, and talk to you again very soon. Bye-bye.